Space stations are a type of space facility that is designed to support human life in space. They provide a home for astronauts, scientists, and engineers who work on various experiments and research projects in the environment of outer space. Space stations are also used as launching points for satellites and other spacecrafts. In the last few years, there have also been a few tourists into space. This trajectory and the innovations made in orbit will certainly increase our capabilities fast. In this video, we will discuss the different types of space stations, their use cases, and I will give a general understanding of how they work. Exploring the different kinds of space stations. Space stations have been a part of science fiction for decades, but now they are becoming a reality. From the International Space Station to private companies launching their own space stations, the number and variety of space stations is growing. We will explore the different kinds of space stations and their uses. We will look at how they are constructed, what materials are used in their construction, and how they are used for research and exploration. We will also discuss some of the challenges that come with operating a space station in low Earth orbit. Finally, we will consider the potential future uses of these fascinating structures. The International Space Station (ISS) is the largest artificial body in orbit and has been in operation for more than 17 years. The current version of the station is a modular design, with each module designed to be launched as a stack into space by a rocket. Once in orbit, the modules are connected together by astronauts via spacewalk to expand the station's capacity. The current ISS design was originally proposed by NASA and is constructed of an aluminum frame that houses many different modules, each with its own dedicated role to perform research or support crew needs. There are also new concepts with inflatable designs for space stations. There's certain benefits with these types of space stations, like less material needs and less cost to build space stations. There are other advantages with space stations that are not just utilitarian. There is also an interior design aspect. We can see the difference between interior designs comparing the ISS and the new Chinese space station. The ISS has all their equipment in open spaces, and it has less room to use inside. Inside the Chinese space station there is a lot more room, and all their equipment is stored inside the wall, which they can easily slide out to use. Exploring advanced technology for future generations in aerospace. The aerospace industry is constantly evolving and embracing advanced technology to ensure the safety and success of future generations. As we move into a new era of exploration, it is important to understand the implications of emerging technologies and how they can be used to revolutionize the aerospace industry. From artificial intelligence, AI, to 3D printing, this video will explore the potential use cases for advanced technology in aerospace and how these technologies can be used to improve performance, reduce costs, and increase safety. We will also take a look at some of the challenges associated with these technologies that must be addressed before they can be widely adopted. In my previous video, I also talked about rotating space stations that theoretically could create artificial gravity. This might be a solution for many problems caused by zero gravity, but we will have to see how this works out in real life to test it for its viability. There are a few types of problems with zero gravity, like loss in bone density, and it has more effects on your body. Having artificial gravity in space could become a game changer for the whole industry. Choose the right type of space station for your needs. When it comes to space exploration, having the right type of space station is essential for success. It is important to consider the size, design, and purpose of the station when making a decision. With a variety of options available, it can be difficult to decide which one will best suit your needs. This video has shown that there are lots of options to choose from, and they all have their own qualities. having provided an overview of the different types of space stations and their features so that you may someday make an informed decision when choosing a station for your next mission. I do think we will have a variety of space stations to choose from with different perks. We will also have stations with specific functions like refueling in orbit, and there will be many more capabilities. Which type of space station do you like most? Which one would you pick for your space missions, and why? If you like this video, don't forget to like it and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more videos like this.